Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of authentication failed on the application of Indeed job. You will go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you search about Indeed job search. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you turn off your Wi-Fi and you turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.